Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create amazing intro or opener text in Filmora. You can see the interface of Wondershare Filmora, and this is the version 10. You can do this from any version of Filmora. For that, you have to go to the title option. You can see there are many types of options here like media, audio, titles, and so on. So among these options, you have to select the option title. And under the title section, if you look at the left portion, there are many options like favorites, include, custom, openers, and so many. So our desired option is openers. So under this opener option, there are so many other options. So these are really amazing. Like I'm going to show you some example and demo how it looks. You can see that the animations as well as the text are auto arranged and animated. You can just double click it and you can customize the text from here. You can write anything like tutorial. For better editing option, go to the advanced option. You can also customize the animation, anything. So I have the detailed video on how to do the basic edits in text in Filmora, so you can also watch that video. But in this video I'm going to show you only the opener text. So now click OK. There are so many other options. Let me select this one. You can see that this one is really good. You can use this as a waiting intro or any other programs, and there are so many like this one. You can use this video as a waiting intro to or any other party, anything. This one is also good, I think. Let me choose another one. In this way you can easily make amazing intro from Filmora. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching the full video. See you in the next one.